Ebi byona Minisita Magyezi abigambire nyuma abazyo obwabira lyo mugenyi mukuru aha mukoro gwo kujweka-beihwa abarukwingana igana mushanju ayishomero rya Agacencwire College Bushenyi abatwire nibashoma emishomo y'ebyemikono erimu okwombeka okubazira okukora amashoke na za decoration nebindi omuhururu ya Skilling Uganda.
Bataka kubiha ngwese no izo kugira bamu wotabitire mu mani kinaho rashange bitu bigumira konko umuhanguzi tarimero
barakora amashanyarazi batakwaza wayoka zikemchweka ukaza kuyunga bitari byo kubera kutomu mizo tata kutwara za pipe abo kwa these are the skills you have been trained in and you are going out into the world.
Abanya-Uganda bahirwe agabusha ngu omubyemikono nuho obwigano kubaje okusigire ngo ahabwo kuba okuronda emirimo omu government n'ebitongore na mino garuguru.
Nakashome byo kwombeka akashome bya tailoring akashoma nureba yatunga emirimo mwe n'abantu abazire abina bano kukashanga bari yo mazima babona baguze banze umwana naija hano yeshomera emitwaro makumyana atunga certificate atunga diploma.
The way is open. You can reach PhD. I'm happy that the director also went through the same thing. This is one of the institutions that we also assess, and you can still reach and do PhD.
Kora jurute na atunga certificate okagira ngwesi yawo aho nhora akome taro mwana wo musoro mu nsomo amagezi garyo mu mutwe ikibuzo ni wazaga koze sota.
Itendekereri erya Agacencwire hashomiremu abana b'abantu baburijo aho bine mu nekitongore ekirukwatiraho aharyabo abatarukwebasa.
Benshi twasimera mukama mwebare for that vision for creating an institute and schools or even putting education as your first priority, because you had money to do other things but you really say that let me do in education.
Abeja barukurenga 15 nibo batungire first class diploma na certificate ombyemikono. Omugandi abeji bina 12 bahereze emishomo yabo ahari Uganda Christian University, Bishop Bamu University, omuri obuchweka 88 aharigana bw'abana babishiki kandi 52 aharigana bw'abojo. Omwejo omwe ajwire PhD kandi mushanju nibo batungire first class.
Do you need a purpose for your life? Ask God. Seek first His kingdom. Knock and the door will be opened.
Science education of Uganda Christian University.
Abebembezi ba university jiborekire bimwe aha bintu ebariyo nibatebekanisa.
The first one is ensuring that our campuses are landscaped, they are green, and they are beautiful.
Bishop Gad akanjuna omureberezi wa Kigezi yahabura abajwire okwerinda enguzi omirimo yabo.
Graduates, please be encouraged that graduation is not the peak of your academic journeys, but rather a stepping stone to a vast world of opportunities ahead of you. Face the future with zeal, determination, and resilience, ready to succeed. You are well equipped with the knowledge and skills to profoundly impact society.